Yeah. Very good morning, children. Hope you all are fine and be safe and don't come out of your house. Please listen to your parents and don't irritate them. Okay. Today we are going to start our class with a new thought. The thought is the good you do today will help you in the future. So the good things whatever you do today will help you in the future. So children, everyone should do only good things and good activities. Don't encourage bad things and bad activities. So bad things will create all bad situations. If you do all good things, you will be doing all good activities and you will face a good situations. Now, as we have started our area and perimeter chapter in the day before session, we are continuing with that session only. Now, yesterday we have learned about a pine trees. The pine trees are broader in at the bottom and as they grow up they become narrow. Why? Because the leaves will absorb the sunlight and they prepare food. They prepare food for the plant. So if the leaves are very small at the bottom, do they absorb the sunlight? No, they will not absorb the sunlight. So the pine trees will have wider at the bottom and as they grow up they become narrow. Now this is our yesterday's class. Now today we are going to learn about a square grid. By using the square grid we can find the area of any shape, any complex shape. As I have drawn you yesterday and I have shown you the square grid. So now I'll show you the picture of a square grid and we will count the area of that square grid in a particular shape. Yes or no? Yeah, right. Now you have a square bridge here and a cloud picture is drawn on that square. A cloud picture is drawn on that square. Now you should find the area of a cloud, area of that certain picture on the square grid. I have already given the numbers, children. You have already numbers are there. So total the numbers indicate that the number of squares in that cloud. So let us count the squares in that. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the cloud is having a 16 unit squares. The squares are of 1 centimeter. The squares are 1 centimeter. So we call it as 16 square units. 16 unit squares or 16 square units. Both are same. Now everyone get ready with your studios and open the page number 4. Everyone open the page number 4, children. Get ready with your studios. Yeah, now look at the given shapes in the studio, children. Everyone look. Yeah. There is a square grid given in the book. So in that square grid also you have two shapes, shape A and shape B. Though shape A is in a square shape and shape B is in a complex shape. Complex shapes in the sense it is different shape. Now what you should do means count the number of squares inside the shape A. First we will count the shape A. So now count the shape A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. In total we have 16 squares in that shape A. So 16 square units. The area of that square is 16 square units. You see already written here 16. Now in the shape B we have the number of squares. Now you count the number of squares in the shape B, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 10. So the number of squares inside shape B is 10. Now See, in a square bridge, the sides of each tiny square is 1 centimeter long. So, the length of this square is 1 centimeter long. It is 1 centimeter long. So these squares are known as unit squares. The squares are 1 centimeter. We call it as unit squares. So shape A occupies 16 unit squares. Thus the area of shape A is written as 16 unit squares. Next, the area of shape B is 10. The area of shape B is 10 unit squares. 10 unit squares. Now you see, use the unit squares given at the end of your studio to find the area of a given shape. Paste the unit squares inside each shape to find its area. One has been already done for you. Now see children, here the first picture is area is equal to 5 unit squares. Here also square grids are given for you. The first square grid, a red color box is also given. In that red color box you have no squares. Now what you should do means you cut the paper, not this paper, not in the studio. You have a square grid at the end of your studio. The page number is 133. You have squares. Square paper is given that you cut the squares required and paste it here. In the first one, area is equal to 5 unit squares. There you need 5 squares. Same. In the second also square grid is given and a red color box is given. In that red color box you have no squares. So you cut the squares and you pasted. I have drawn lines for you. In that the missing squares are 13 unit squares in the second picture. 13 unit squares, and means 13 squares you should paste it. Next, in the third picture also same. It is 10, it is 12. It is 12 unit squares is required. You should paste 12 unit squares. And in the fourth picture, same, the red color box is given. In the red color box you have no squares. So we need to paste 10 unit squares. If you are unable to paste it, you can draw the lines as I have shown you in the picture. You can draw the lines, children. Now, is it possible to find the area of a shape made by the curved lines using square grid? See children, now we have find the only squares of a particular shape. We have find the area of a squares of a particular shape. Can you find for a complex shape? Like yesterday we have drawn leaves. Yes or no? And a ball. Can you measure the area? Can you find the area for the shapes? Yes, we can find by using square grid. Square grid. See, let us find the area of a shape made by the curved lines in figure 1. In the figure 1. See children. Next, to find area, count the number of squares that fall inside the shape. See children, the red line here. We are counting the squares inside this red line only. So, by counting the squares only, we will get the number of square units. We see that there all are some full squares inside the shape. Some squares are half. Some are full and some are half. Then what you will do? Yes, we will count only the full square units. We will count only the squares which are full, which are completely small portion inside the shape. So, we will not count the half and the small. We will count only the full squares. In figure 1, the full squares are colored in green and more than half are colored in blue. Not here children, in the next page. But today I am winding up this class. Tomorrow we will meet in the page number 6. Tomorrow's session. Very good children. Hope you all are fine. Please be safe at home. Don't come out of your homes. Do your work, and children, post the homework in my number with your names. Please type your names and post it. Thank you, children. Bye, everyone.